Come on, Jessica.
Wally. Oh my god, my hair is looking like a hot mess.
Hot ghetto mess. It's a hot ghetto mess.
You're taping me and my hair looks like some hotness.
Jasmine, you're a little bit scary.
How's my hair look?
Jessica, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. The infamous jump kick. Wait, Jessica, do it again. Do it again.
Jasmine, say something insulting.
Jessica, I hate you. You look like a monkey.
It's only them telling me what.
I'm sorry.
You're still finishing.